How to fix TikTok message not sending and receiving problem. If any day you see a problem like this, do not panic as we have got the most easy solution for this. First of all, open TikTok on your device. After that, move to the profile section on the down right. And after you tap on the profile section, you will see a screen like this. Now go to the three lines on the top right and then move to the settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option of free up space. Now tap on free up space and you will see a screen like this. Now turn by turn you need to clear down the cache and also the downloads. And after you clear down the cache and the downloads, now you have to go back, and going back you have to go to the message section. Since this is a problem of TikTok message not sending and receiving problem, go to the message section, and when you go to the inbox, now go to the very person to whom you want to send the message. I wanted to send the message to yours analgesic and I typed hello and send it. And hooray, my message has been sent. So this way, if you follow the steps, your problem will also be solved and you will also be able to send and receive the messages.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.